hope I didn't knock Russell over. Is he okay? We kind of came together a little bit. Yeah. I'm sorry, man.
That was like racing. That was awesome.
I was like, oh shit, I hope I didn't bump Russell.
Man, people are falling down left and right there. He's coming, Nixon.
I remember that hill.
That's pretty rough.
I remember that one from a couple years ago. They stopped us at the bottom. It was all silt back then.
Hey, I didn't put a rear tire on last night.
I can
Nathan
see.
Told me not to. Yeah, at least your dad fell over at a flat spot.
Oh, he fell over?
No, I wouldn't say fell over. Here, I'll go back for him.